What we're going to do is you're going to cut the ribbon that came with your ornament, because we're going to put a new one on. And then you're going to take the new ribbon and you're going to string it through the hole of your new ornament. So it's about middle, and if you want to make sure that it's middle, you tie a knot on it so it doesn't run away on you. And you're going to measure where you want it in your frame, probably about the second half down. And then you're going to tie it to your frame. Just tie it however you want. It's not really going anywhere. Tie in a nice little bow. Sure. So there's your ornament. And you're going to take your greens that came in your kit and you're going to position it centered. And then you're going to take your bow, your pre-made bow, and you can fluff it up a bit beforehand or afterhand, doesn't matter. Just kind of make little puffs all over, position the tails how you want them to position. And you're going to take your taped floral wire and you're going to put it over top of the greens and around the back of your frame and twist it on super tight so it doesn't move too much. And your greens will move a little bit, but that's fine because you can move them later. And then once again you can move your tails and your bow and your tufts however you want. And then you're all done.